Hello everyone, welcome to my Science Tech channel. In this video we are going to learn about subject science. In that we are going to learn what is cells. So let us see cells. Cell is nothing but basic unit of life, we can say. Without cell nothing is possible in this living world. The living organism cannot form, we can say. So cell is the basic unit of life from which the tissue is developed, and from that tissue organ is developed, and from that organism a living organism can be developed. So cell in biology, the basic membrane bound unit that contains the fundamental molecules of life and of which all living things are composed. These cells cooperate with other specialized cells and become their building blocks of large multicellular organisms such as human and other living organism, we can say. So cell is nothing but basic unit of life in which the living world, the living organism can be developed. So there are four types of cells, we can say, that is the epithelial cell, nerve cell, muscular cell and connective cell. So these are the four types of the cells. So first is the epithelial cell, in which we can see the diagram how it looks. Basically the epithelial cell. So what is epithelial cell? Let us see. Epithelial cells are the cells that come from surfaces of our body, such as your skin, blood vessels, urinary tract, and organs. They serve as a barrier between the inside and outside of your body and protect us from viruses. So this is the epithelial cell, which is the protection which is done by the cells. Next one, we can see the nerve cell, how it has been forming the structure and the shape of the nerve cell which is formed in the body of the living organism. So nerve cell is what that we are going to see. A type of cell that receives and sends message from the body to the brain of living organism and back to the body. The message are sent by a weak electrical current and also called neuron. So the messages are basically sent. So this is the diagram. We can say types of muscle cells. In the diagram we can see the different types of muscle cells are being present in the diagram. So what is muscle cell? Next one, muscle cell. The muscle tissue is one of the four fundamental types of animal tissues. The muscle tissue is comprised of specialized cells capable of contraction. These cells are called muscle cells and even also called as the myocytes or muscles, which is present in muscle of the living organism. Now next one, connective tissue. So connective tissue means which connect the tissue from one part to another. So this type of tissue is most abundant, widespread and varied. All tissue types of the body has variety of functions, we can say. So connective tissue is the tissue that connects, separates and support all other types of tissue in the body. Like all tissue types, it consists of cells around by a compartment of fluid called the extracellular matrix. So ECM, that is extracellular matrix, it is present in the tissue which connect from one cell to another, that is the connective tissue. So thank you all of you. This was all about, we can say, the cell and the types of cell. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel.